and welcome back to my channel, and this is the latest in beauty unboxing. It's £19 a month, but I got mine for £16.20, and I will just go on about it a little bit. My daughter has put on some lovely slogans, as you see. She's put lovely ones on. She says, YOLO, be true, be you. That's what I am. See, I am just me. What you get is what I am. So yeah, and it says hashtag smile. And it says hashtag beautiful. Oh wow, that's so nice. I like that. And this says hashtag family. Family is another good one. And it says be true to you. Hashtag be true to you. And all of these, look at these. She's really decorated my box and says hashtag you are perfect. Hashtag be the best you can be. Well, that is true. You can just be the best you can be, isn't it? So yeah, so right, so okay, so oh, I don't see that yet. So here we go, here's the box then. Right, oh, this feels heavy. What is it? Oh, it feels really heavy. What is this? Something to stuck to it. Right, so this is the Saint-Tropez tan remover. Right, okay, so let's just have a look at this, because I have tan on my hands a little bit, you see, fake tan. Right, so I'm just going to read it a bit. Does it have anything? How to apply, get the best results following our tanning experts. So it says pump self-tan remover mousse onto the palm of your hand. Apply liberally onto dry skin, avoiding the eyes. Leave on your skin for about 5 minutes and the self-tan remover will get to work. Right, okay, so once your skin is clean and defoliated, you are ready to reapply your fresh new tan. Right, I'm just going to put this on, and by the end of the video it should be off. So you see, I'm actually just applying it right now over the affected areas, which is my hands. It doesn't have any scent at all. There's no scent there, but I always get tan on my hands, so that's a good product. Next one, ooh, what is it going to be? What is it going to be? Oh, ta-da! We have got, what is this? Oh, that is sticking to everything. 40% off your next order at www.roseandcompany.com. So this looks like it's a little rose petal beauty balm. Oh, I like roses. So yes, I'm happy to get this as well. I'm a lucky girl. And I just am a lucky girl. Get to try all of these beauty products out as well. Oh wow. Also, this is a little tube of it. I think that this might be a lip balm as well. Yeah, it is. So there we go, see it? Actually, just gonna put some out like that. You see, it's like a pinky colour. It tastes like Turkish Delight. It does taste like Turkish Delight. I like that a lot. I do like that. That is like the best Turkish Delight lip balm ever. It's really moisturising as well and very good. I love it. So love it. Oh my. Okay, so that is that one. Then the next one we got. Ooh, what is this? This is like a powder blush, and it is from Boots England and distilled in the USA by Boots. Right, okay, so we'll try this out. Sorry, I had to burp. I need my drink, which is cream soda. I love it. Right. So this is CYO. CYO. You see that? And that is the colour there. So it is like a corally colour. See that? Right, I'm just going to pop a bit on. It's like a highlighter. It's going on like a highlight. It's not like really like a blush. Just going to check my mirror just to see if I've got it right. It definitely is like a highlight. I'd say this is more like a highlight. It is giving me a little bit of colour, but maybe if I applied it with a brush it might be a little bit better, but we'll try and get some colour. See, it's not actually giving me a lot of colour, so it's not really a, oh, what is the word I'm looking for? Pigmented? No, it's not really pigmented quite a lot, but it's still good. I like it when it's not really pigmented. It just made you go a little bit more heavy-handed with it. So it's okay. It's all good. Right, okay, so what's the next item? Oh, we have a CYO Kajal, no, not Kajal, Coil eyeliner. Right, so this is in the shade blue, turquoisey coloured blue. It's a high filler something. Right, so I'm just going to open it up. That's really pretty. And there we go, you see it. I might put that on later. I will do a video with it because I do like that colour. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Right, okay, so the next item we've got is, what is this? Oh, this is a metallic liquid lipstick by CYO. CYO is promoting a lot of products on Latest in Beauty. And there we go, there is the front of it. It looks really cool, sort of thing. Oh, it has like a weird sort of taste. And troubles. I kind of think that will go nice over the top of a lipstick. I don't know. It is a little bit too shiny for me. A little bit too shiny, but I like it. So there we go. And then, oh, what is this? The next week I've got to order these, but these are Hippies chickpea puffs. So this is high in fibre and a good source of protein. And there's salt and vinegar. They're really nice. Then we got, this is the Rodial Smoky Eye Pen in black. And see it, just do a little swatch. Look at that, it's really good. I do like that colour. It is really, really good. I like that pen. I like Rodial, they're really good. And then the next item, what we got is, oh, what is it? Oh, it doesn't want to come out of the box. Sorry, jumping back in the box. Right, so this is like the CYO eyeliner marker pen. 3 easy steps to that perfect wing eyeliner. There it is. Right, okay, so let's just have a try of this. Oh, it looks like that. So I'm wondering if you right, I'm just going to try it. Not bad. That's pretty good. I like it. So now I'm just going to do the other eye. I'll do the other eye later, but that is quite good. So there we go. Impressive. A slight wing in literally a few seconds. Because that's all you need is a slight one, because it does, and it's by the Vintage Company. I thought that this would be in rose gold, but it's not. It's in pink. So it's just as nice. And that is it there. And it has the little holes covered up as well. It just says on it the Vintage Cosmetics Company. You'll see it. Right, so that's what it says. And it has like nice little polka dot design on there. And that's it from the underneath. Really pretty pink as well. So that will just live up there because I always need a pencil sharpener. Oh, did I tell? Right, so this looks like good eyeshadow. This is the CYO eyeshadow. How you get it open? Look at that. That is beautiful. I love the way it ripples as well. I love the ripples. And there we go. There it is. Can you see it? Right, I'm just going to actually try a little bit of it on over the top. Let it go over the top. Can you see it? It covers and goes on so perfectly. I mean, I've got eyeshadow on, as you see, but now it's just gone over it beautifully. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be really nice just on its own. I love it. Like, I just love, 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 love that. That's beautiful. Then the next item, I think that could be the last item. We've got all wormies, and that is definitely the last item. So if you liked this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!